I'm Dustin McKinney, and welcome to a tour of an observant musician. This site was made for people of all ages and experiences to help improve their playing by transforming their mind. The content on this site is all about sound, fundamentals, and how you think about them. Every member is invited to a weekly class on Saturdays called Centering. We warm up, work on fundamentals, and problem solve in a way that breaks down tricky material into something more manageable. Being aware of our mind and body during these exercises is very important. Don't worry if Saturday mornings aren't your thing. Each class is recorded and archived so you can warm up and practice the material whenever it's convenient for you. We have a section of the site dedicated to playing duets. This is a great way to work on matching and blending sound, style, pitch, and rhythm. There are over 20 duets on the site, with more coming soon. When you click on a duet, it downloads a folder with 3 tracks, including a performance of the duet, trumpet 1 with click, and trumpet 2 with click. So say you want to learn the first trumpet part to a duet. You can listen to the performance, play along with trumpet 1, and then practice playing it with trumpet 2. And we have practice tracks, a lot of practice tracks. There are tracks for all 16 weeks of the book Total Range by Charles S. Peters, which is over 14 hours of material. There are also tracks for scales and arpeggios, scale exercises written by David Zauder, and tracks that break down exercises in one of my favorite books, Flexus. If you're interested in taking private lessons, there are options for that as well. These lessons take place on Zoom, are scheduled at your convenience, and can be recorded so you can refer back to them. I have a video posted for optimizing your Zoom settings so that you can get the best audio possible. The tutorial section offers exercises to help you get into the best mental state to practice, audition, and perform. There are also tools and examples to help you improve recording yourself, along with practice tips and advice. As a member, you are joining a community of people that want to improve their playing. We all want to see each other succeed, and there's a great energy that happens on Saturdays during the centering class. For $25 per month, you get a weekly invite to centering, access to over 14 hours of practice tracks, over 20 duets, and tutorials. This is a great option for someone who is involved in music either at school or outside of school that wants to push the boundaries of their fundamentals. If you are already taking lessons, this can really enhance that experience. Learn at your own pace, ask questions, and be a part of this community. Improve your playing by transforming your mind. I hope you'll join us. Please visit the site at www.anobservantmusician.com.